you feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time I've made a new video on this channel, but from today I'll try my level best to bring regular videos for you guys. In this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the iPhone SE. The iPhone SE is available in India at 20,000. It is available on all the online websites. I'll link some of the websites in the description below. The iPhone SE is available in 4 color variants. Those are the gold, rose gold, space grey and the silver variant. The iPhone SE is available in 3 different storage variants, such as the 16GB, 32GB and the 128GB model. Now let's move on to the unboxing of this device. Now as you can see, the packaging of this device is pretty decent. I bought this device a few weeks ago and I had to do the unboxing of it. Now as you can see, it's written iPhone SE. SE stands for Special Edition. Here's the Apple logo, and let's look at the back of this box. As you can see, it's a 16GB variant and I have a space grey one. Here's some regular stuff which you find on all the iPhone boxes. Now let's quickly move on to the unboxing of it. Now let me open the box up. Now as you can see, at the top we have the device itself. Let me keep it aside and let's check what else is inside the box. Now as you can see, you have got some paperwork over here. It's written designed by Apple in California. Let me keep it aside. There's a piping cloth which you get with all the iPhones. There's a charging cable. Here you've got a power adapter, which is quite good in quality. And let's check out the close. These are the earpods that were introduced with the iPhone 5s, and these are pretty good. These are some of the specifications of the iPhone SE. It was announced on March of 2016. The weight of iPhone SE is 113 grams. It has a resolution of 326 pixel density. The main camera is of 12 MP. The rear camera is of 1.2 MP. It has Apple's A9 chip and a battery of 1624 mAh.